Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel World of TrueDeck. Returning for a restoration, color restoration, in this case the blue base plate 24 by 32 studs with rounded corners from 1971. It is discolored if you compare to this other one. Let me show you. This blue base plate got much better tone, blue tone. This one is kind of dead and darker. So you will see the difference after the restoration. Got it? Look at this. This is darker than this one. So I will explain you how to proceed. You should take a container, big container, calculating the size of this piece. So you will put the base plate right here. The other thing you need is hydrogen peroxide with only 3% solution, not more, not less. You will fill the container with this product and you will expose it to the sunlight. We got to get this part outside with the sunlight, just in case. Sometimes, as you see, the base plate is floating to the surface. Avoiding that, please put a transclear weight, in this case a glass. Okay, we will expose it at least 1 hour, at last 1 hour and a half, not more of that. Okay, let's go outside. The base plate is from this set, the 261 from 1971. Look at this blue tone, is extremely great comparing to that. So let's go. The day is completely clear, well, almost, but some clouds are giving me a sabotage. I have to wait a little bit. Okay, let's take advantage of this bright sunlight. As you see, some bubbles is kind of sparkling because it is taking action. Let's leave it for 1 hour at least, that I told you. Yep. Okay, let's turn it over. Right, 1 hour more. Okay, the base plate is out of the recipient or the container. It is got a nice blue tone, so I have to rinse it with a lot of water. Too much water, and you could help this washing by using this toothbrush if you want. Remember, it should be a lot of water, both sides. Okay, let's see the results. This is the restored blue plate, both sides. I really like this blue tone. If I will compare to the great blue tone originally, you will see they are now the same. This was darker than this one. Let's change the position. If you are going to compare to the beginning. You look at this. Both are the same blue tone. Both sides. Any question? Let's go on to the next tutorial. Bye bye.